Here I would like to start my video by showing you what is it. So this is like a baby size of pads. So this is a full size normal day pad, and this is what you say is panty liner. I know many people don't know about panty liners because I was also not aware of this, but now I know it, so I thought of showing off what is it and how it works. So like any other pads, whenever you open it, you open pad. Here you can see it is really small, like literally very small, and it's very thin. Okay, now this is not about the brand, this is about the product itself. Any panty liner will be thin as it is, like this is the thickness of the cotton. I want to compare this with the regular pad, and this is my daytime pad. I'm going to open it like from the hair. Let's see. We all know about like pads are long enough, they are thick enough, and the width of this is really good. But the panty liners are like the babies of pads because you can see the size and thickness. Now there is a question, why are we having these panty liners when we have pads for our periods? Now this is the real confusion about girls and women, that panty liners are for periods, but not, this is not exactly how panty liners work. So if you want to know why we use panty liners and how everybody is now using panty liners, then keep on watching. Hello, well, namaste, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to it. I do beauty related videos, sometimes skincare and hair care too, and you can press the bell button right over here so that you will be notified every time I upload the video. And by the intro, you know that we are going to talk about panty liners, that why we use panty liners and how they are different from the pads. We are going to find the reasons why you could use the panty liners instead of pads, or these are the replacement of pads or not, or should you buy these or not, and what are the brands that are selling these. So talking about the brands, I just know one brand only, that is Everteen, because I have just known it from there only. So for me, Everteen is the fine, like the safe brand to play with. But otherwise you can use the Women's Company panty liners also. These are quite good as these are organic and natural, biodegradable and responsible luxury. I don't know what they mean by that, but yeah, you can give them a shot too. But before that, you should know what are these and how these are used. So for that, here are the reasons. First of all, we all know our period cycle, like we know on which date we are going to have periods, but sometimes you have some dots before your actual period date. Many of the girls say they have some dripping of their blood before the actual date of period, like 2 to 3 days before, and it's just a small amount of bleeding and then it gets stopped, and the actual period starts after 2 to 3 days. For that thing, you can use the panty liners. For example, if you know your periods will be after 10 days, but you know that there will be some droplets before 2-3 days, so you can apply this kind of panty liners just for the safety case, because these are so thin that you cannot even feel you are wearing something inside your panty, and you're not gonna have the dots at all, and you will be feeling free about that. So this is the first way of using the panty liners, and I feel it is a great way. Second is the after period thing. For example, many of the times, even personally, I have felt that my periods had ended, and just right after one day, okay, like after 14 to 16 hours or 18 hours, there is some droplets coming out from nowhere. Okay, when you know you are done with your periods, but we all girls apply extra pad even after we complete the period cycle, because we know there will be droplets afterwards. For that purpose, without having this full thick thing inside you, you can have these panty liners for that purpose also. So this is related to the periods. This is not exactly the replacement of your pad, because that is for heavy flow which we have in our periods. Panty liners are the side, you can say, stepney thing for the starting and ending of your periods, and they are easy to carry too. Now third, we are talking about the white discharge. This is also normal thing in girls. We all have white discharge, day and night, anytime. There is no time and specific date needed for having white discharge, and it is without no reason. Okay, sometimes vagina is cleaning itself, so it creates discharge. Sometimes you just feel something, it creates discharge. So for that purpose also you can use panty liners, because you're not going to have that wet feeling in your panty, because all of that drips will be absorbed in panty liners. So if you're someone who suffers from this white discharge thing for any reason, you can use these for that purpose also. Fourth one is for the girls who do workout, who do regular exercises and like to run. So whenever you are running or doing exercises that takes sweat out on your body, and sweat is just not about having on upper body, you will be having droplets around your vaginal area. And when the discharge and some urine and some sweat mix together, this is the real gross feeling ever. But you cannot do something immediately because you are in between your workout. So for that purposes, panty liners are also good, because you will feel comfortable as you will be dried up with this thing instantly. Fifth one here is just to feel dry and clean, just to keep ourselves dried up. And sometimes there are no tissues in washrooms, and then that feel of gila gila bhiga bhiga is not so good, not so good. So in that case, just you can use these panty liners. Do not use your pad, it is thick, it is, you know, big thing, and pads are not meant for these things. So panty liners are the good replacement for that thing. So here we got our 5 reasons of using panty liners, and I feel this is a really nice way of keeping ourselves clean and feel comfortable and hygienic in all conditions, especially now we are having summers. I think now you know why panty liners are there in the market and how they are different from the pads, the real pads. And you can choose if you want to have panty liners or not. It is completely your personal choice, but I feel they are still workable and useful. And so now we know how it look like. I want to show how you can apply this on your panty. So I'm giving a quick demo. So here I have created some lines that just replicate the image of your panty. So this is the middle section where you put your pads like this. For example, this thing will be going right up here, like here. Okay, the same way you will be having your panty liner. So I'm showing you how you can do that. So here you can see how it fits to the size of your panty, and whatever comes here will be directly onto this, like here in the panty liner, and there will be no leakage whatsoever. Alright, so here we complete the video, and now you know what are panty liners, at least in general terms, and you can decide you want to go for it or not. I hope you liked the video, I hope you liked the content, and if you did, then please like this video, comment on it, and subscribe to my channel, and share it with your female friends, your mother, your sister, your friend, your girlfriend, your wife, whoever it is. If you find this helpful, just spread the awareness. You can also connect with me on social media. I am very active on Instagram and LinkedIn. All the links will be in the description bar, so you can check it out. Also, I'll meet you in my another video. Bye.